Hi everybody, Andrew here, and this is the second video on our 8x8 IP phones. You remember in the previous video we looked up the IP address 10.1.10.169. So in a browser we just type that in, 10.1.10.169, hit enter, and it's going to want a password. It's 54321. That's the same password for all the phones. It's a default. Okay, and so then you see here, this is all the stuff that you can configure on the phone from within this menu. Okay, so the first area that we care about here is this soft keys and XML. So I'll click on that and see what that does. So this defines all the menus that we have on each phone. So we can do things like set up dial home or whatever, but you see here we have transfer to voicemail. That's only available when you're connected. Call forwarding is always available. Call parking, only available when you're connected. Using the intercom, always available. Do not disturb, always available. This one here is the corporate search, always available. Going in and listening to your voicemail, always available. This speed dial to a cell phone, that's a call home, always available. The corporate directory, always available. The automatic attendant, always available. So you can hear what people hear when they dial in. Call forward, always available. The conferencing is only available when you're connected. And then this intercom, I'm actually not sure why that one's here, but that's only available when you're connected. That's it for that menu. Okay, the next thing that we're interested here is this preferences. I'll go ahead and click that under basic settings. And pretty much everything here can be defaults, but the thing we do care about is right here, the incoming intercom settings. How do you want to handle an intercom coming in? Basically, if you let it, the intercom will set up a two-way conversation instantly. If you're someone like a pastor who might be counseling someone, you really don't want that. You want it to ring and you have to say, yes, I'm taking it. So these are settings for that. Okay, the next thing we're interested in is this global SIP here. And the reason we're interested is because that's where you can put in the screen name, etc. So we put in the extension so that displays. We put in the person's name, Emily in this case, and then the person's name here again. And then since there are two lines, the main line and then the secondary line where a second call can come in, we want to do the same thing there. Put in the extension and the name twice under line 1 and then under line 2. Extension name. Okay, so that's it for configuration locally on phones. In the first video we looked at doing that from the settings menu on the phone itself, and then we looked at it from browsing into the phone using its IP address. Next we're going to take a look in the next video at actually configuring our hosted PBX on the 8x8.com site itself. Okay, see you then.